Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Maths online class. Now we have learned how to add and subtract fractions. The concept is clear to all. Now, using this addition and subtraction, we can solve some word problems. So today in this video, we are going to see how can we solve word problems regarding fractions. Let us discuss the first word problem. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. When you get a word problem, first read the question and understand what is given and what we have to find. Here, a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long. That means the length of the sheet is 12 1 by 2 centimeter and 10 2 by 3 wide means width of the rectangular sheet is also given. So, width of the rectangular sheet 10 2 by 3 centimeter. So, what is the question? Find its perimeter. So, the length and width is given in the question. We have to find its perimeter. What is the shape of the paper? Rectangular. So, you have studied what is the perimeter of a rectangular. What is perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. That we are applying here. So, here length and width are given as mixed fractions. So, first convert that into improper fraction. You know how to convert it. So, 12 1 by 2 converting you are getting 25 by 2. And 10 2 by 3 converting you are getting 32 by 3. Now, finding the perimeter. I said the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. That means applying what we know. Length is 25 by 2, breadth is 32 by 3. So, 25, first do what is given in the bracket. Here 2 into 25 by 2 plus 32 by 3. This addition is separated by bracket. So, do what is inside the bracket first. So, you know how to add two fractions. This are given as unlike fraction. So, make it into like fraction by finding the LCM, converting, you are getting 75 and here you will get 64. So, 75 plus 64, the LCM you are getting 6. Now, adding 75 plus 64, 139 and 6 denominator. Then multiply. Multiplication of fraction you are studying after this topic. So, there I will explain you the multiplication of fraction. Just understand here what we are doing. Here 2 and 6. You know 2 and 6 are factors. 6 you can write it as 2 into 3. So, the 2 is common. When cancelling that 2, what remains here? 3. So, 139 by 3. So, the perimeter of the rectangular sheet of paper is 139 by 3 centimeter. Next question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much picture should be trimmed? So, here what is given in the question? The length of the picture and the length of the frame is given. That is it. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide means length of the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter. Now, to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter. That means the length of the frame is 7 3 by 10. If the picture is more than 7 3 by 10, it will not fit in the frame. So, the question is how much picture should be trimmed? That means how much portion of the picture should be trimmed in order to fit it in this frame. For that, first we should find out whether the length of the picture or the length of the frame, which is greater. By looking at the mixed fraction, we cannot say which is greater. For that, first we are converting the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that, this is unlike. It is given in unlike fraction. We are converting it into like fraction and comparing which is greater. Then only we can find out how much can be trimmed out. Here I told it is given in mixed fraction, so we are converting. Length of the picture is given as 7 3 by 5. Converting, we are getting 38 by 5 centimeter. Now length of the frame is also given as mixed fraction, 7 3 by 10. Again converting, we are getting 73 by 10. Now I told we need to compare. For that, first we need to convert it into like fraction. 38 by 5 and 73 by 10. Here the denominators are different. 5, 10. So we are finding the LCM. LCM of 5 and 10. Which is the common factor in 5 and 10? 5. Dividing throughout 5. Here you will get 1. Here you are getting 2. Again dividing with 2. You are getting 1, 1. So the LCM is 5 into 2. So you are getting LCM 10. Here this 73 by 10 is already having the denominator 10. So we are not changing that fraction. Here this one is we are changing. 38 by 5 you are changing, you are getting 76 by 10. That means the length of the picture we got 76 by 10 and the length of the frame 73 by 10. By looking which is greater, 73 or 76? Yes, 76 is greater. That means the length of the picture is greater. So it will not fit in the frame. So we have to trim the outer portion. So how much we have to trim? If it is of the size of the frame only, it will sit in the frame. That means this 76 by 10 we should make it what? 73 by 10. So how much we have to trim? How we will find that? Portion to be trimmed means subtract the length of the picture and length of the frame. 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. Since the denominators are same, we can subtract directly. So 76 minus 73 by 10, you are getting 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 of the picture, that much portion of the picture should be trimmed in order to fit the picture inside the frame. Next question. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother, Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had larger share by how much? Here only one fact is given in the question. The portion ate by Ritu. How much? Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Remaining was eaten by whom? Her brother Somu. So 3 by 5 part of an apple is eaten by whom? Ritu. What do you mean by this 3 by 5? There is the solve of the question. An apple, its 3 by 5 part is eaten by Ritu. That means that apple is divided into how many parts? 5 parts. That apple is divided into 5 parts. Out of that 5 parts, how many portion Ritu ate? 3. That is the meaning of 3 by 5, isn't it? 3 by 5 means what? Out of the total 5, 3. So the total apple was divided into how many parts? 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts Ritu ate. So you can easily find out how much portion Somu ate. So the portion ate by Ritu is 3 by 5 and total part is 5 by 5. The portion eaten by Somu is what? Total minus portion by Ritu. That is 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. That means denominators are same. So 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? 2. So the portion taken by Somu how much? 2 by 5. So Ritu got 3 by 5 and Somu got 2 by 5. Whose share is more? Yes, 3 or 2, which is greater? 3. So Ritu got more. By how much also we need to find? That is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Subtracting you are getting 1 by 5. So Ridu's share is more by 1 by 5 than Somu. So winding up today's class, today we discussed some word problems on addition and subtraction of fractions. When you are getting a word problem, read the question at least 2 times. So you can easily find out what is given and what you have to find out. So that's all for today's class. Attend the test paper attached. Copy down the notes given. In the next video, we will meet with other topic. Thank you.